Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to show you my trades this weekend with altcoins pumping a Hyper and Asta. But I would be careful jumping in at these super high valuations, and it looks like alt season has begun. So we're near the end of the bull market, 1 or 2 months remaining. We're going to jump in technicals for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and at the end of the video, I'm going to pick a winner for an iPhone Air, which I'm currently recording with right now. And it's an amazing phone. Battery life is awesome. The phone is so light, like you're holding a feather. You feel like you got a brand new thing, you know. It doesn't feel like a old normal iPhone. It feels like you got something special. So I'm going to give a lucky winner one of these phones. At the end of this video, I'm going to pick the winner. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. And watch me trade. I've been trading for 24 years. Watch my Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tesla, Nvidia, Google trades, and see what I do and try to learn from me. If you make money from me, hire social media marketers to push message of peace and anti-war and protect the trees and the nature. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. Right now, the market getting a bit of a bounce back. 884 my account. Bitcoin sitting at 115. It just had a little bit of a drop. We pushed to 116,000, then pulled back a little bit. The low yesterday was 115,000. The high 2 days ago was 117,000. Funding fee positive. My Ethereum trade $21,000 in profits. My TON trade is down about 3,000, but it is a $266,000 trade. My Ethereum up 6,000, and Ethereum trade we had 4,600 on Friday, and then it's pulled back to 4,400. The low was 4,400. We'll jump into technicals for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and you can see what the tokens that I'm holding: MCRT, Uni, World, and Pump. Pump dropped a lot actually from where I bought it. It was not a good idea to chase Pump. World got a bit of a bounce back. Pump dropping a lot. All the money is moving from alt to alts, like different alts, and then back to different alts. You can see what I'm holding. That pump drop was quite heavy. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin. Tesla was up 2% on Friday. Altcoins up a little bit, but almost flat on the weekend. Pump getting dropped because the money's moving from Hyper and Pump to Asta. You can see Bitcoin trades. Bitcoin 115,600 on the weekly charts. The crypto guru bot is still a blue buy, which it fired back in 2023 at 20k. You get it in the master course, jamescryptoguru.com. Bitcoin indicator bots fired a sell 6 weeks ago at 124k. Didn't fire a buy yet, but you can see it's making a rising triangle. If we hold this trend line, we're making a rising wedge or rising triangle. Builds pressure and breaks out. The base of the triangle target would be 143,000. The stochastic on the weekly is over midway, heading up. On the daily, it is overbought, heading down with a clear double top. There is a little bit of a rising wedge on the daily. It is trying to hold on, but it does look like it's trying to break down here. Let's go on the 4 hourly. On the 4 hourly, we're holding on this trend line. We got a bounce, but it is a bit weak because the money is moving into the altcoins. Let's see when the ETFs open. On the 4 hourly, no major pattern. I wouldn't call this a rising wedge yet. It just seems like a trend line that it's climbing, and a little bit looks like could be inverse head and shoulders here. So we'll watch that closely. Let's go into Ethereum, 4,400. And recording with the iPhone Air is also amazing. The screen is very big, very smooth. I really like it. On the weekly charts, you can see Ethereum target 7,800 on this 2021 symmetrical triangle, and we're breaking out. Then when you zoom in, we've got a bullish pennant. Let's see what the indicator bots say. Bitcoin crypto guru bot is still a blue buy. Bitcoin indicator bot is also still a sell, didn't fire a buy. Let's go into the daily. Daily, we've got a symmetrical triangle building here, and it usually follows the trend. So the trend has been up, builds pressure, and then breaks out the base of the triangle. So my target is 5,600, and the bigger target of that symmetrical target 7,800. My trade I would take at 4,250, stop loss 4,200, and risking 141 to make 3,400 per Ethereum. 10x leverage 34,000. These are the trades I have right now. Let's go on the 4 hourly on Ethereum, and you can see this symmetrical triangle. I wouldn't say there's any other major pattern here. The rest of the market quite flat. Pump getting hit pretty hard from its high. It pumped like 200%, and then is pulling back. Let's go into it. It moved 244%, and now it's pulled back 24%. Looks like the money is just moving from altcoin to altcoin and then switching. I'll buy more pump at $6.68 is a support, but major support I would say would be here, 0.05. So these lines, these are support lines where you can add, where I would add more if it pulls back. But be careful buying altcoins here after the pump. They're not sustaining the pumps. The money is just moving from altcoin to altcoin, which is a little bit worrisome. It means that the liquidity is kind of getting saturated. Like not much liquidity left to move from project to project. All the links are underneath the video. Bybit 60k bonus, main exchange I trade. If you have high fees or getting liquidated, Bybit is one of the best. WeX is KYC free worldwide exchange, $200 bonus just for signing up. And take the courses and join us in the Telegram, 9,000 traders. And you can see some comments from students. Some of my students that are up 122k, hit over $1 million, buying a villa 500,000. You can see their experiences. Let's go into the Telegram. Right now there is 179 of you online discussing. I'm going to pick the winner of the iPhone Air. The head of the SEC stated that he wants to move all US markets to the blockchain. 3 billion in shorts will be liquidated if Ethereum goes up 4%, which is interesting. Still in my Ethereum trade. Now let's go pick the winner. Yesterday's video, 2 of 10 on YouTube, 3,000 views. iPhone Air, what is the battery enough for the whole day? Yes. Love you guru, we appreciate videos. Thank you, Rishi. Thanks. The iPhone Air is amazing. Lots of background noise. iPhone Air is not good, it seems. By the way, how will you give iPhone Air to someone living in the USA? Through crypto. They're going to send you the crypto to buy it. I wish I had an iPhone Air. Been with you since the beginning. I hope I win something from you. The best. Good morning. So congratulations, Haldar, for winning 200. Yesterday there was a $200 giveaway for my YouTube, supporting YouTube. Wish I wasn't banned from the great Elon Musk free speech project. Oh, that sucks. People discussing. Yeah, it's free speech only if they like it. Which side likes it, it seems. 110,100 followers on X. Yesterday's video, 7,900. This giveaway, 1 day left. So I said, going to pick the winner in my next video. This post I said if I got 500 likes on this video, on this post, I'll give away an iPhone Air. To win, you had to follow me, you had to repost this post, comment, tag 3 friends, and tag Apple. You had to be signed up to Bybit Official, which the team will confirm. And you have to declare you've become a messenger of peace. It's been 7 days. I'm going to pick the winner. 456 people applied, 89,000 views, which is amazing. Let's go. I stand for peace, choose dial, follow instructions. I'm going to scroll randomly and pick the winner. I've completed every single step. I'm going to scroll randomly, pick the winner, and I'm going to make sure from the area of where the winners are, I'm going to pick someone who supports me all the time. So I'm going to load these 450 comments, which is a lot, to be honest. To load will take a while. Let's load them all. And then I'm going to randomly scroll, and I'm going to choose someone in that scroll area who supports me all the time. Because I want to support the people that support me. So it's liking my post, commenting, sharing, retweeting, tagging friends. This is what I consider support. Commenting, making dialogue with other people, bringing them into the community. Wow, so many messages, everyone. Thank you all. 430. I'm going to load them all. Okay, ready? And the scrolling begins. And the winner is Jaylee Baby. I haven't seen your post that much. I want to pick someone I see supporting me all the time. Jaylee Baby these two seem to be spamming a lot. Okay, I'm going to keep scrolling to one of these. These two seem to spam the comments a lot. So I'm going to pick someone. Offset, I see you always supporting. Stand for peace, choose dialogue over destruction. When you stand for peace, you stand for humanity. I am a messenger of peace. Tagged everyone already following you, signed up. Congratulations, Offset. Offset, always see you supporting. You win an iPhone Air. Team will contact through this account only. Congratulations. Cool, congratulations, Offset. I always see you supporting. Thank you so much. Congratulations on the iPhone Air. Again, all the links are down below. I'm always giving away lots of competitions, everyone, so sign up, follow me, and be ready for the next competition. And again, Offset, congratulations on winning the new iPhone Air. You're gonna love it. I love it. It's like holding something special in your hand, like a feather. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Thank you for all 450 people that went into that competition over the last week. I'm gonna do more of them. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.